Hey guys, so I have a guest today. And what is your name?
Dash.
Dash. This is my son Dash. So he requested that we make some chili. And so have you ever eaten chili before?
No.
No? What made you want some chili?
Well, it's because I haven't had chili and I wanted to taste how it tasted.
Okay. So Dash has a lot of allergies. And so one of the reasons I didn't make chili is because I always take the shortcut and I use like the seasoning packets. But some of them, a lot of them have wheat in it. And so that's one of his allergies. So I decided that I'll just go ahead and make it from scratch. And we're going to put it in the crock pot. And I'll use my own seasonings and everything so I don't have to worry about any allergen ingredients being in there. So I found a recipe online and it definitely said allergy free. And I found like 2 different recipes and I'm just going to kind of freestyle it and do my own thing too with the help of Dash. So that was another request of his, that he can help as well. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So we have all our ingredients here and oh, we have to get our meat. So we're going to use meat. We have our ground beef and we're going to do beans. So I like to use the dark red kidney beans, and Dash loves black beans, so we're going to use the black beans. What do you think? Yeah, because Dash loves black beans, so we'll do that. And then we have our tomato sauce and our diced tomatoes. So I don't really like diced tomatoes like this, but Dash loves tomatoes in your spaghetti, right? So Dash loves his diced tomatoes, so we may use like half a can of this. I'm not sure. And then I have my different seasonings, onion, garlic. I'm gonna chop up a little bit of fresh onion and garlic and saute that with the meat. And then we have our different seasonings. Definitely gonna use some ground cumin and chili powder, so that's what's gonna give us like the chili taste. And then just the regular stuff, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, all of that. And then the recipe shows, I usually do like on the top pot of chili, but I'm going to go ahead and use the crock pot today. I used to use my crock pot all the time and I haven't been using my crock pot. So we're going to use the crock pot. So let's get started. Anything else you want to add, Dash, before we get started? Any thoughts?
No.
No? You excited about it?
Yeah. Wait. Yes, I do.
Okay, well tell the camera so they can hear you.
So how long ago have you used the crock pot?
Oh, that's for me. Okay, that's why you were looking at me. So my crock pot, you know, it may have been like a year, to be honest. Yeah, it's been a while. I've been so hooked on the stove and definitely my air fryer, and I'm so mad because I use my air fryer like every day and it went out on me. So I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna get the same air fryer and get a new one because I've had it like 2 years, or I'm gonna get a different one. So let me know in the comments, do you guys use your air fryer? What air fryer do you use? And I'll put a link to the one that I have that I think I'm going to be getting again. But anyway, we're off track. So great question, Dash, and let's go ahead and get started. The first step is that we're going to do our meat. So we're going to cut up some onion and garlic, and then we're going to saute that and then cook our meat and then put everything in the crock pot. So this should be very easy. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to chop up a little bit of onion and garlic so I can add it to the meat.
Have you ever cried why you ever chopped onions?
I have done a little tearing for sure because onion makes you get teary-eyed. So are you going to stand here while I do this? And what if your eyes start tearing up?
I want to try.
You want to try?
Yeah.
Why do you want to cry?
I don't know.
Oh my goodness. Somebody is a silly willy. So I'm just going to chop up a little bit because I'm not like a big onion person. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing here. but I'm not a big onion person like that. Dash is taking up all my space because he's on this footstool because he's a shorty. You a shorty?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I already have tears.
You got tears coming? The onions got you tearing up already?
Yeah.
So I'm just going to do a little bit of onion and garlic. I definitely don't like raw onions. I don't like raw onions. And I definitely am going to saute this very soft. And I'm not going to do a whole bunch. I'm just going to do a little bit to give it a little natural onion flavor. So not a whole lot at all. Just a little bit. Okay, so I have a little bit of onion. And we're going to do like maybe, I don't know, 2 cloves of garlic maybe. So we're going to get some garlic. Now the garlic dash is what definitely smells very strong. He's gone. What? No, not like that. But I mean like when you cook with it. Uh-oh. When you cook with it, it stays on your skin for days. Dash, come back. You left me alone.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, garlic smells strong. But I love garlic. Steve?
Don't get it on me.
Don't get it on me.
Yeah.
Well, it's going to be on my fingers. So sometimes you can use a little, you know, like chopper for this stuff. But we are not doing all that. And we only doing a little bit of garlic, so.
Wait, do we even have a chopper?
I think. I don't know. But I know we always use it at Grammy's house. We always use a chopper there, don't we?
Yeah.
Because Grammy is the one who does a lot of things with her cooking, right?
Mm-hmm.
But we do a little bit. We do a little bit.
We don't do a little bit. We do a lot.
We do a lot of cooking?
Yeah.
There you go.
Even more than Grammy.
Well, I don't know about that.
Yes.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think we're going to do 2 cloves. So I have my pan here. And we're going to put some olive oil. Some EVOO, extra virgin olive oil. Let me just wash my hands a bit. We're going to have the stove on. So we're going to be very cautious here with our little dash. And we're going to go ahead and put our garlic and onions in the pan.
Wow, that's much.
Yeah, but we're going to saute it so it's going to get really cooked down. And like I said, we don't have a lot because I don't like a whole lot of onions. So we're just doing just a little bit for flavor. Put a little extra virgin olive oil to saute it with. And we're going to turn our oven on. Be careful there. Turn our oven on like medium. And we're just gonna saute it. And we're gonna cook it down till it's nice and soft. And then add our meat in there. I mean, you could do this, just put the meat right away. But I like to soften it up a bit first. And then that way, it really cooks into the meat better. So we're going to go ahead and saute this up.
And then the chili can taste better also.
Right. So you can hear it sizzling a bit. And it's starting to cook down. I think that is good enough.
Finally.
So now we're going to add our ground beef.
Oh, it smells good.
No, it's starting to smell really good in here. The onion, fresh onion and garlic smells yummy.
That's what I eat? I eat that?
Yes, you do. And we're gonna just Get this nice and brown. I have a little grounder, little tool that I saw on Amazon I'm gonna buy, but it like helps you to grind up your meat easily.
Wow, that looks so cool. But it still doesn't look like chili.
No, it's not gonna be chili until we put it in the crock pot and cook it. And we put all our ingredients together.
I'm excited to put the beans in. Wait a minute. Are we gonna use 2 or 1?
2 or 1 beans?
Yeah.
Yep, we're gonna use the red kidney beans and the black beans.
Both?
Yep, so we're gonna do 2 kinds of beans.
That's gonna have lots of flavor.
It sure is. It's gonna be yummy.
I'm excited to taste it. Wow, that looks exactly like burger.
Yeah. All cooked, and of course this is going to be in our crock pot too, so if you have a little pink left, slightly,
Oh, I still see a little bit of the
that'll be
onion.
okay. Yeah, it has the onion mixed in.
The onion is still in there.
Okay. So our ground beef is done. So now we're going to drain our meat, and then we're going to put everything in the crock pot. So I always use Fig, and I'll show you right here. So I use Fig. My sister told me about this app. So if you have allergies, you can just put the products in there, scan the barcode, see if any of the products contain the allergen that you had. So everything's good. Tomato sauce, diced tomatoes. I did the ground cumin. It said if you have peanut allergies, then avoid ground cumin. I did not know that. So
Oh, dang!
in the trash it goes. So no cumin in this chili. But everything else is a go. Okay. So after further Fig investigation, our organic chili powder also has cumin in it. So what do you think about not being able to use the chili powder?
I think maybe we should without using the chili powder, maybe we should use everything else except for the things I can't eat.
Okay. And we can use crushed red pepper to give us a little bit of that, you know, hot peppery flavor. And it's going to be good because we're going to season this up and it's going to be awesome. I think they only want like 8 ounces of the tomato sauce. So we're going to use a half a can of this. We're going to use a half a can of our diced tomatoes. And we're going to season it all up. They also asked for the brown sugar. So that's probably going to add a little bit of a kick to it that I haven't used before. So yeah, so the sugar is going to be a good addition. So right now we're going to open up our cans and we're going to pour everything into our crock pot. Okay. So we are going to open our cans and we have our tomato.
I have a question.
Yes.
How do you open that with that?
It has a little thing here that cuts around. Okay.
Oh, dang. Is that how it looks like on the inside?
Okay, so we have our tomatoes.
How do you use that?
And we're going to do our black beans.
I love that. I'm dying for that.
So we're really just going to do our own little version, you know?
Yeah.
Okay.
It doesn't even look like any beans. Where's the black beans? Where's the black beans?
They're in there. Okay, so we have our spoon here. We're going to go ahead and put everything into the crock pot. Let's go ahead and get our meat in here. Be careful.
No.
Okay. Keep the spoon.
Spoon, spoon, spoon.
The spoon. So now we're going to pour our kidney beans in here and we're not going to drain them. Yes, so go ahead and pour your kidney beans in the crock pot. it all the way in the center. And pour it. We're going to add black beans because that's Dash's favorite. So go ahead with your black beans. Okay. And then we're going to do half of the diced tomatoes. Let's do this together. Do a half a can of this.
You do it this time.
Okay.
Maybe the reason it didn't work was because I was doing it.
No, you did a great job.
Yay, thanks.
And then go ahead and put our brown sugar.
Okay, all of it?
Yes, I already measured it. So that is 2 tablespoons.
Oh, dang.
Okay.
Oh, dang it. It all came out.
Okay, so we're going to season this up. We don't have our chili or cumin, but we're going to make do. Put a little black pepper. We are going to put some garlic powder.
Wow. That's so...
And we're going to put our onion powder. And we're going to add in our crushed red pepper. Put a little salt. You could substitute with sea salt if you want. We're going to put a little salt in there. Okay, so everything is stirred up. We're going to go ahead and cover our crock pot. Try to cut this time in half by 4 hours by turning it on high. So we're going to go ahead and let this simmer and cook on high for 4 hours, and we will check back and see how this turns out. Okay, you want to go and check it out?
Yeah.
All right, go up on your stool. All right, lift it up.
That's hot.
Put it down. Be careful. And you can get your spoon and check it out a bit. Looks good. Ooh, it fogged up my camera. What do you think?
It looks good.
You ready to try it? All right, let's get you a bowl. So Dash has taken a couple bites. What do you think so far of the chili?
I like it.
Good. It's hot, just out the crock pot. Mmm. Yummy?
Mmm. Spiciness.
Okay, so you saw Dash's reaction. So here is my bowl. And I don't have all the allergies, so I can do like usually some crackers or some cheese in it, sour cream. But I want to just try it without anything extra first, just to see how it is, because you know we didn't get to use the chili powder or the cumin or anything. So I want to see if we were able to season it up pretty good. So let's see. Super hot, straight out the crock pot. So we definitely got to blow it.
Like, definitely.
Let's see.
How do you eat it so much?
It's good.
It's definitely playing it.